Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will see how to enable Openflow into your TP-Link router. So I have already built this script which will just create everything for you and create the open virtual switch, create the VLANs for each port and create the interfaces, isolate the Wi-Fi clients and disconnected from the bridge LAN and connected to your open virtual switch, and make the configuration for the open virtual switch to be connected to the controller. All these steps is in the bash script. So this is the default configuration of the TP-Link router, which has a switch with these ports. So the first port of the switch will be connected to the WAN. The second port of the switch up to the fifth one will be connected to the LAN 1 to LAN 4. All these LANs are connected to the CPU 0 through the Ethernet 1, and the 1 is connected to the Ethernet 0. Then the Ethernet 1 is bridged with the Wi-Fi with using the bridge LAN Linux bridge and connected to the zone, to the LAN zone. We have here the one zone, and between them is the firewall. So this is the default TP-Link internal diagram. We have here the two settings for the open virtual switch. The first one is to replace everything with the open virtual switch. So we'll replace the bridge LAN, we'll replace also connect the one to the open virtual switch. So in this setting, all the ports will be connected to the open virtual switch as well as the Wi-Fi. And the other settings is to keep the WAN connected to the WAN, keep the WAN connected to the Ethernet 0, and keep LAN port number 1 to be connected to the bridge LAN, and connect the LAN port number 2 and 3 and 4 to the open virtual switch along with the Wi-Fi. So in these settings you can use your controller, Openflow controller, to connect to the LAN, and if anything goes wrong with the open virtual switch you can reconfigure it, because still you have an access outside the open virtual switch. But in these settings, if you have anything wrong with the open virtual switch, then you have either to reset your router or to use the serial port. So by saying that, let's start. The first step is to make sure that you have OpenWrt and you have Open Virtual Switch installed. If this is the case, then just skip the first step. If not, then either install the firmware of the OpenWrt, which is already compiled with the Open Virtual Switch, or upgrade the firmware if you have already OpenWrt but without the Open Virtual Switch. The second step is simply just SSH to the router and copy paste this script and change its permission and just run it. So let's do this. Okay, so we are here, vim open virtual switch bridge.sh, then press I, paste the script, then escape, colon WQ, then change mode +X, open virtual switch, then open virtual switch bridge. Oh no, just give it some time. Yes, so we are done. Open virtual switch versus switch controller of show. You can see now we have the wireless LAN, we have the Ethernet 4 and 5 and Ethernet 0 as well, which is the one. So sorry, here I think I have changed this to even include the Ethernet 0 to the open virtual switch. So only what is left is LAN 1 to be used for the controller, and everything else is connected to the open virtual switch. So yeah, by saying that thank you very much. I hope this is helpful.